Good morning, my magnificent mathematicians. I am super excited to be with you this morning. We are going to have so much fun today, learning more about math and growing our brains. Let's talk about big numbers and place value. The bigger that numbers get, the harder it can be to picture what they really represent. Place value is important because it helps us understand how big numbers really are, and then picture what that means. Okay, so here's the big idea that I want you to remember. A number's position is just as important as the number itself. We call the number's position its place value. We call a number's magnitude its face value. Let's look at an example so that we can talk some more about face value and place value. Okay, here's an example. Look at this number, 5,237. The 7 has a face value of 7 and a place value of 7 ones because it's in the ones place. The 3 has a face value of 3, but a place value of 30 because it's in the tens place. So it represents 3 tens, which makes 30. The 2 has a face value of 2, but a place value of 200 because it's in the hundreds place. So it really represents 200s. And the 5 has a face value of 5, but a huge place value of 5,000 because the 5 is in the thousands place. Can you see how place is just as important as face? That 5 is really 5,000. That 2 is really 200, and the 3 is really 30. Let's look at another number, and this time we're gonna play with these base 10 blocks. These are so much fun, and they really help us understand place value and face value. Okay, let's look at the number 1,549. We're going to add the blocks to represent the magnitude of this very big number. Okay, the number 9 is in the ones place. So because of its place, it represents 9 1 units. It's not that big, is it? But that 4, the 4 is in the tens place. So because of its place, the 4 tens represent 40. Our magnitude got bigger. The 5 is in the hundreds place. So because of its place, it really represents 500. And that 1, it's in the thousands place. So because of its place, it's not just a little 1, it's really 1,000. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to look at the number 1,385 on our place value table here. Now, let's add the blocks to represent the magnitude of this big number. The 5 is in the ones place. So let's count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it represents 5 1 units. The 8 is here in our tens place. So it represents 8 tens, which is really 80. And the 3 is in the hundreds place. So because of its place, it really represents 300. And again, the 1 is over here in the thousands place. So because of its place, it's not just a little 1, it's really 1,000. These blocks are really fun and they help us picture big numbers, but we can't have these with us all the time. We need to use pictures in our brains to be able to visualize the magnitude of big numbers. So let's move over to the board and switch to paper. I'm going to write the number 3,257. The 7 is in the ones place. Can you picture its place value? Is that what you pictured? The 5 is in the tens place. Can you picture its place value? The 2 is over here in the hundreds place. So it really has a place value of 200. Is that what you were picturing? I hope it was these two big 100 blocks. And the 3 is in the thousands place, so it has a huge place value of 3,000. Did you picture 3 big 1,000 cubes? Well, great job thinking about place value today. I hope that you will remember that a number's place is just as important as its face. And maybe the next time you're working on a math problem with big numbers, you can use your brain to picture these blocks and remember how big their value really is. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time on Rise and Shine.